Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. We have done some of the exercise from the textbook which is based on length and height. Now we will do some exercise from the workbook. Open the page number 27 where you will find out question number 16. Match the following. Okay, and here in the answer you have to just write down the alphabet from the B column. Here we have already done the conversion in this chapter in the workbook exercise, so we are going to remember it and do it. Number 1, 66 meter. Okay, so find out the option 66. Okay, so here answer is C. Why? Because बड़े में से छोटे में convert करते हैं. During that time we will do the multiplication. Multiply by 100. Okay. So we will get the answer 6,600 centimeter. Convert the meter into centimeter. During that time you will multiply by 100. बड़े में से छोटे में जाते हैं तब जाके हम multiplication करते हैं, where meter is a bigger unit and centimeter is a smaller unit. So you will get an idea. Now number 2, 6 meter 60 centimeter. 6 meter 60 centimeter. So what do you 660 centimeter, right? Because 6 multiplied by 100, it would be 600 and plus 60, 660. So your answer is E. Now F. Number 3, 6 kilometer 60 meter. अभी हम conversion कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे देखो सारे छोटे unit है. All now we will convert the kilometer into meter. So during that time what will you do? बड़े में से छोटे में जाते हैं तो करते हैं multiply. So 6 multiply by 1000, 6060 meter. So F is your answer. Now meter. Meter ये वाला है number 4. So what will be your answer? 606 meter. मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में करेंगे, कन्वर्ट करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 तो 60,600 सेंटीमीटर. सो ए इज योर आंसर. यहाँ पर देखो 2 0 दिख रहे हैं आपको. हाँ, नेक्स्ट इज 6 किलोमीटर 6 मीटर. अगेन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 सो 6006 मीटर. योर आंसर इज बी. And 6 meter 60 centimeter. So what will you do that? Your answer is this, because multiply by 100, 6,000 plus 60. So that is your answer D. Okay, next question number 17. There are some word problems. So concentrate here. The Eiffel Tower of Paris is 330 meter high and the tallest building of the New York is 320 meter. Then how much tall is the Eiffel Tower than that building? Here in this question they are comparing the height of the two buildings. This is the height based question. Fine. So what will you do? When you are doing the comparison, during that time you should subtract the smaller height from the bigger one. Simple as that. So 330 meter is the height of Eiffel Tower, height of the tallest building of New York. So do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 3 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 3, 0. So 10 meter more height of the Eiffel Tower than as compared to the tallest building of the New York. Number 18, solve the following problems. So in that case, here they are talking about the long jump, right? In long jump for boys, Manu has the longest jump of 3 meter and 60 centimeter. Sonu came second and he jumped 17 centimeter less than Manu. अभी सोनू का जो डिस्टेंस है वो यहाँ से 17 सेंटीमीटर कम है मनु के. So हम क्या करेंगे? We will do the subtraction from 60 minus 70. So here 10 minus 7 3 and 5 minus 1 4. So 43 centimeter. 3 meter and 43 centimeter, which is the length of Sonu's jump. And Golu came third and he jumped 3 meter 31 centimeter. Then what is the difference between the long jump of Sonu and Golu? अभी सोनू का मिल गया, गोलू का ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. सो व्हाट विल यू डू? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस. डिफरेंस दिया है तो सीधा समझ आएगा. वी हैव टू डू द सबट्रैक्शन. सो लेंथ ऑफ द सोनूज जंप एंड लेंथ ऑफ द गोलूज जंप. बाय डूइंग सबट्रैक्शन, first we'll subtract the centimeter part. 3 minus 1 2, 4 minus 3 1, and 3 minus 3 0, which is the difference of Sonu's jump and Golu's jump. Next, number 2. Now we are talking about the height in this question. In the high jump for boys, Hiren jumped 1 meter 20 centimeter, Suresh jumped 5 meter less than him, and Mahesh jumped 1 meter and 9 centimeter. Then what is the difference between the high jump of Suresh and Mahesh? Suresh and Mahesh का हमें find out करना है. First of all, the height of Hiren's jump is 1 meter and 20 centimeter, which is already given. Now Suresh का find out करना है. 5 सेंटीमीटर लेस देन हिम, मतलब इसमें से 5 सेंटीमीटर माइनस करना है. सो सेंटीमीटर पार्ट में से 20 माइनस 5, so you will get 15. Height of Mahesh jump. Okay, height of Mahesh jump has given 1 meter 9 centimeter. So we have to find out the difference. Difference मतलब माइनस, बड़े में से छोटे को माइनस कर दो. So Suresh jump is greater than the Mahesh jump. So 1 meter 15 centimeter, which is the height of Suresh jump, minus 1 meter 9 centimeter, which is the height of Mahesh jump. Now let's do the subtraction. Here is a 0. 5 minus 9 is not possible. Here is 15 and here is 0, 0, 0 and 6. Okay. So that's the difference between the high jump of Suresh and Mahesh. On the next page, you will get the question number 3. Here they are talking about the long jump for the girls. Gopi had the shortest jump of 3 meter 32 centimeter. Meenu came second. She jumped 12 centimeter more than Gopi. And Neelu jumped the longest and she jumped 13 centimeter more than Meenu. Then what is the difference between the long jump of Neelu and Gopi? तो अभी क्या करेंगे? गोपी का दिया हुआ है. मीनू's jump is 12 centimeter more than the गोपी. तो उसमें हम क्या करेंगे? 32 centimeter में 12 प्लस करेंगे. 2 plus 2 4 and 3 plus 1 4. So 3 meter 44 centimeter. And Neelu's jump is 13 centimeter more than Meenu's jump. तो यहाँ पर फिर से एडिशन करेंगे. 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 1 5. So 3 meter 57 centimeter. Now find out the difference. Difference मतलब minus between the long jump of Neelu and Gopi. तो नीलू एंड गोपी का सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. सो फर्स्ट यू विल राइट डाउन द बिगेस्ट वन. 3 meter 57 centimeter length of Neelu's jump and this is the length of Gopi's jump. Now you will do the subtraction. 7 minus 2 is 5. 2. See, the difference is 25 centimeter. Move to the question number 19 where you will find out the table. Okay, let's read the heading. The world record and Indian record for long jump and high jump are given in the table below. Answer the following question on its basis. Based on this table, you have to give the answer of the question. So this is the same table we got in a textbook. So there are similar kind of questions that we have already solved in the textbook. those questions we are not going to solve in our workbook. Okay, so that's why I wrote there TB means textbook. We have already solved in the textbook, तो ये हमें फिर से करने नहीं है इसमें, right? So number 1 is the same question that we found in our textbook, and this table is also the similar. Number 2 question, how many centimeters more should Anju ji jump to equal the women's world record for long jump? Where is Anju ji? Here is Anju ji. इसको इतने 6 meter 83 centimeter. She jumped 6 meter and 83 centimeter long. बट हमें क्या करना है, उसके रिकॉर्ड को वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड के जितना बनाना है. तो व्हाट डू वी नीड? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल राइट डाउन द स्टेटमेंट. लेंथ ऑफ अंजू जीज जंप इज 6 एंड इफ एंड वी वांट टू मेक इट इक्वल टू द वुमेन्स वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड फॉर लॉन्ग जंप. ओके, तो हमें और उसे कितना जंप करना पड़ेगा, देन इट बिकम्स इक्वल टू द वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड फॉर द लॉन्ग जंप फॉर वुमेन. ओके, so here we will do the subtraction from the world record, the length of the Anju ji's jump. Now 2 minus 3 not possible, cut 12, 5 before 4. Now 12 minus 3 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You will get 9 here. And here 4 minus 4 में से 8 जाएंगे, 8 जाएंगे. No, it's not possible. So you will take borrow, cut. Once you cut the one number, at that time you cut the next number. 7 before 6, here is 1 and 4, 14. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here is a 6 and here is a 0. So our question is, how many centimeter more should Anju ji jump? The Anju ji jumped 69 centimeter jump more to reach the world record for long jump for women's. Okay, she needs more. Now number 3 question, we got this question in the textbook, so we skip this. Number 4, what is the difference between the world record and the Indian record of high jump for man? So here for Indian record, difference between the world record and Indian record for high jump for man. देखो यहाँ पे high jump, this is the world record and Indian record. We need to find out the difference between them. Difference find out करना है, तो we will do the minus. 2 meter and 45 centimeter, which is the world record for the high jump, and 2 meter and 17 centimeter, which is Indian record for high jump. Fine. So here we have to find out the difference. 5 minus 7 not possible. Here is 15. 4 before 3. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here you will get the 8. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. That's the difference. Now number 5. How many centimeter more should Amit Pal jump to reach 9 meter in long jump? अगर उसे 9 मीटर करना है complete, तो उसको और कितना jump करना पड़ेगा? So for that we will subtract this much of length from the 9 meter. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 0, 9, 2. So he needs to jump 92 centimeter more, और ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा. Number 6 number question, which has been given in your textbook, so we'll skip it. Number 7 is also given in your textbook, same question, and we had solved this thing in our video session as well, so I'm going to skip all this. Next is number 8. In the man's Indian record, what is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? See, here I wrote the information, जिसके लिए आपको पीछे देखना की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now high jump of Chandrapal is 2 meter and 17 centimeter, and length of Amrit Pal's jump is 8 meter. We have to find out the difference of them. Okay, so here 8 minus 7, 1, 0 minus 1 is not possible. Take borrow, and here is 8 before 7, 9, 5. Next, number 9. In the Indian record, what is the difference between the high jump of man and women? High jump of Chandrapal and high jump of Bobby A. He is from man and she is from women. So we have to find out the difference. High jump of man and women. Man, women. Okay, 7 minus 1, 6. 1 minus 9 not possible. 11. 2 before 1. Here is 0, 9, 10, 11. The difference is 26 centimeter. Now number 10 and number 11, both the questions are given in our textbook, so we skipped it. And let's move to the question number 12. In the world record, what is the difference between the longest jump of man and women? Now we will talk about the world record for longest jump for man and women. Now we are going to find out difference. 5 minus 2, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. Here. The difference is 1 meter 43 centimeter. तो हम नीचे ऐसे लिख सकते हैं DIFFERENCE difference. Let's move to the next page, page number 31, where we will find out question number 20. Calculate the sum and complete the table. Okay, so here in first column you will get the distance to be completed in meter. Second column, filled and parked with the measurement and with the figure as given, and rounds to complete rounds to run to complete the distance. मतलब ये distance complete करने के लिए, ये वाला distance का यहाँ पर complete करने के लिए कितने rounds करने पड़ेंगे वो हमें calculate करना है. Simple. For example, number 1, here is a 800 meter and the measurement of the field or park. You can consider it as a field or park. उसका measurement दिया है पूरे चारों side का. So you have to count the number of round. How many rounds you will take, then you will complete this distance. For that, I calculate these things in a notebook. Okay. Now here is 1. Can you observe that in figure all the sides are having 200 मीटर. मतलब इसका पूरा राउंड लगाएंगे तो हमें ये सारे मेजरमेंट को ऐड करना पड़ेगा फॉर वन राउंड. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड 200 200 200 200 मीटर 4 times, so it becomes 800 meter. So that's our required measurement to complete. So we need one round to complete this measurement. Look at the second number question where we will find out the distance is 2000 meter. Here we will find out the square figure and each side having measurement 100 meter. So total, if we are taking one round of the square park, then we will get we will cover 400 meters. See, I am going to add 100 meter 4 times and I got 400 meter. Now 400 meter is equal to one round of park, then 2000 meter is equal to question mark. We are going to divide it. 2000 divided by 400, cut the x 0. Now 20 upon 4, 4 ones are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So we need 5 round. We need to take 5 round to complete 2000 meter around this park. Now number 3, the measurement is 1000 meter and here is a circular park where you will get the measurement 200 meter. मतलब एक सर्कल लगाते हैं तो 200 मीटर का राउंड होता है. Look at here, I have solved this in a notebook. 200 meter is equal to one round of park, then 1000 meter is equal to question mark rounds. Okay, so here we are doing the division. Cut the extra 0. Then 10 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So answer is 5 rounds. Then next number 4. Number 4, look at here. Here the distance is not given. How many distance we have to cover? How much distance we have to cover, that has not given. And here the measurement of the park has given and the number of rounds are given. So what will you do in this case? See, for that you will write down 1 round of a park is equal to 400 centimeter. Then 5 rounds of a park is equal to question mark. We will do the multiplication for that. 400 multiplied by 5. Cover the 0. 5 fours are 20. And cover 0. Number 5 question, where we will get the measurement 2000 meter, which we have to cover. And the figure, in this figure, this is the rectangular field. और यहाँ पे हमें पहले first we will find out how much distance is covered by running 1 round. Okay, for that we will do the addition like this. 200 meter, 300, 200, 300, so total 1000 meter. If we take 1 round of this field, it will cover 1000 meter. So 1000 meter is equal to 1 round of the field, then 2000 meter is equal to question mark. So 2000 divide by, अभी हम division करेंगे, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 2 rounds. Answer is 2 rounds. Now turn your page. On the next page you will find out number 6. Here the measurement which we need to cover has not given. The measurement of the square field has given and the number of round has given. Okay. So first we will find out the distance covered by taking 1 round. So here, look at here, number 6 example. I have solved this for you. 250 meter, 4 times we are adding it and we got 1000 meter. Fine. So 1 round of field is equal to 1000 meter. Then 2 rounds of field is equal to question mark. See, number of rounds has given. So we will do the multiplication, cover all the 0. 1 2s are 2 meter. Okay, so the given distance is 2000 meter. Now we'll move to the number 7, where the distance which we need to cover has not given, number of rounds has given, and the measurement of the rectangular field has given. First of all, by doing all the measurement, we will get the answer or the measurement which we are covered by taking 1 round around it. After doing the addition of all the measurement, we will get the answer 1000 meter. Okay, so 1 round of the field is equal to 1000 meter. Then 2 round of the field is equal to question mark. ये measurement है, right? So 1000 multiplied by 2. So where we will get 2000 meter. Now we'll move to the number 8. Here is a circular park. The distance we need to cover is 2500 meter and the 1 round. After taking 1 round of the park, we covered only 500 meter. So how can you solve this? So 500 meter is equal to 1 round of the park. Then this 2500 meter is equal to question mark. So we will do the division. 0 0 cut. 5 5s are 25. So we need to take 5 rounds. Number 9, where we will find out the number of round and the measurement of rectangular field. So simple as we have done before, do the addition of all the sides. So we get the distance which is covered by taking 1 round around it. So 1 round of the field is equal to this much of measurement, then 4 rounds of field is equal to question mark. So by doing the multiplication, we will get the answer. Cover the 0. And number 10. Measurement is not given. Measurement around the circular field is given, and the number of rounds is given. So 1 round of field is equal to 100 meter. Then 5 rounds of field is equal to 500 meter. Look at the next page, page number 33, question number 21. Answer the following question based on the map given below. Here is a map. Using this map, we will answer the questions. Fine. So here first question is, how far is village B from village A? Village B from village A. The distance is 25 kilometer. And what is the distance between village B and village C? Village B and C. For that, you need to add both the distance. So here we are doing the addition. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3 and 4. 40 kilometers. Now number 3, what is the distance between village A and D? A and D, what is the distance? 30 kilometers. Number 4, what is the distance between village E and D? E and D. By doing the addition of both the measurement, we'll get the answer 50 kilometers. Number 5, how much distance do Mehul have to cover if he wants to go from village E to village B through A? He wants to go from village E to B through the village A. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको और इसको ऐड करेंगे. So 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 2, 4, 45 kilometers. Now, how much distance do Sunil have to cover if he wants to go from village C to village D through village A? C to D through the village A. तो क्या करेंगे, 15 plus 30, वो ऐसे जा रहा है पूरा ऐसे L शेप में. So 30 plus 15. So 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 0, 1 plus 3, 45 kilometers. Now, which distance is more for Pradeep? Village B to C or village D to E? How much? अब दोनों का difference, पहले D to E, 20 plus 30, 50 kilometer, and here is 40 kilometer. So what is the difference? 50 kilometer minus 40 kilometers, 10 kilometers. That's the difference. So this is it for this session. Next time we will do more in this chapter. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, goodbye.